boxing of my plaque. I would like to thank me, myself, and I.
All right, so the fight is underway. We will see how it plays out. It's a pick'em fight according to Las Vegas.
Oh, I can't defend.
Who's the boss? Who's the boss?
Oh, and he gives up his back.
You're not gonna roll around and scramble to get this guy off of you.
Who's the boss? Who's the boss?
You, my back.
And that will do it.
I disapprove 100%.
That is it! Still undisputed! Working at the office for the champion!
I'll say thank you to this guy over here, because I probably wouldn't have done this or green lighted this if he didn't put the pressure on. Ready? Slow-mo this. This is a slow-mo. Oh, no. Okay, wait. Not yet. This isn't slow-mo. Ready? Okay, not yet. Bang! Woo! Pop it! Woo! See that? Milestones on milestones. Pop it. Ready? Woo! Yeah! Oh, in the house. Outside. Well, you're gonna have to clean the roof. I am the landlord. Let me roar.
Why did I do that inside?
Why? Beautiful moments.
Wow.
Beautiful moments.
And this one was for Luca.
For Luca.
Luca. Stay hydrated.
Stay hydrated. MP4.
Bottom. To the bottom.
And okay, to the bottom. Wow, he's doing it. Oh well, he's done it. Good job. Achievements. He had the best highlight I ever saw of myself, which was like 40 minutes long, and it looked like a movie. And what made me really appreciate him is the attention to detail. His attention to detail is second to none. To Luca, yes, and I'll see you at the top.
To Luca again.
And he'll see you at the bottom. Another one. Woo! Woo!
Just want to say thank you to everyone for watching and enjoy the content. Expect more on the way.
Woo! Yeah! Thank you. That's the best I can say. I feel like I was even doing justice, but still. And again, thank you, because if you subscribe, you must like what we're doing over here. And what we're doing over here is something that not a lot of people might understand or resonate with. So I appreciate the fact that you guys like and subscribe and keep watching what we're doing. And yeah, stay tuned. I got a lot of things cooking up in here. Right now, the only thing that's like holding me back from this stuff is just fighting. I'm focused on one thing, and that's fighting. But once I'm done fighting, yeah, there's gonna be a lot more coming your way. Even before that as well, so yeah, stay tuned. And again, thank you. L'chaim. Out of nowhere. Out of nowhere.